Hey, welcome to our channel. You are watching Review Panda, and in this video we are going to review Top 5 Best Wake Up Lights. If you're thinking to buy, watch the video completely. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe. Links are mentioned in description. Our first product is Philips Smart Sleep Wake Up Light. Personalization, simulated sunset and sunrise, and choice of 5 different natural wake-up sound. Smart features: FM radio, tap snooze, and automatic dimmable display. Mood and energy, proven to give you an easy and energetic wake-up and improve your mood in the morning. Can be used as a bedside reading lamp with 10 brightness settings. Smart features: FM radio, tap snooze, and automatic dimmable display. Item shape: round. Color: white style. Colored sunrise simulation material: plastic. Brand: Philips. Norelco. Special feature: radio. This process of changing and increasing light stimulates your body to wake up naturally. By the time light has filled the room, your chosen natural sound completes the wake-up experience, leaving you ready for the day ahead. Developed with Philips clinical sleep and respironics healthcare knowledge and 30 years of leadership in sleep and our 100+ years of lighting expertise, Philips wake-up lights are clinically proven. Join the 92% of users who found it easier to get out of bed. Inspired by nature's sunrise, light gradually increases within 30 minutes from soft morning red through orange until your room is filled with bright yellow light. Our second product is Philips Wake Up Light Sunrise Simulation. Clinically proven, Philips Wake Up Lights are recommended by physicians and pharmacists for establishing a healthy sleep and wake routine. Natural wake up, simulated sunrise, and choice of 2 different wake-up sounds. Smart features: FM radio, tap to snooze, and reading lamp. Mood and energy, proven to give you an easy and energetic wake-up and improve your mood in the morning. Money-back guarantee, 90-day no-hassle money-back guarantee from Philips. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Journal of Sleep Research, 1903, 425-435. Norden, M. J., and Avery, D. H. 1993. A controlled study of dawn simulation in subsyndromal winter depression. Acta Psychiatrica Scandinavica, 88-1, 67-71. 1 Metrics Lab 2011, N equals 209 users. Verken MV, Gimenez MC, Vries BD, Biersma DG, Ij van Someren. Our third product is Philips Smart Sleep and Wake Up. Clinically proven, Philips Wake Up Lights are recommended by physicians and pharmacists for establishing a healthy sleep and wake routine. Personalization, customized sunset and sunrise. Smart features: midnight lamp, FM radio, phone charging dock, power backup, speaker, auto dimming display, and smart snooze. Mood and energy, proven to give you an easy and energetic wake up and improve your mood in the morning. Wind down routine, relax, breathe. Light guided breathing helps you relax to sleep, and sunset simulation helps you fall asleep more peacefully. A controlled study of dawn simulation in subsyndromal winter depression. Acta Psychiatrica Scandinavica, 88-1, 67-71. Danilenko K. et al. Manuscript in preparation, Metrics Lab 2011, N equals 209 users. 1 Metrics Lab, N equals 109. Our fourth product is Aura Daylight Lamp, 10,000 lux of full spectrum bright. Timer feature. The built-in timer feature adds additional flexibility. The timer can be set at 10-minute intervals from 60 to 10 minutes. Bonus feature: the lamp will automatically shut off when the treatment is complete. Wall mountable. The daylight therapy lamp easily mounts onto the wall. The stand folds up for simplified storage. Patented technology. The Aura Daylight Therapy Lamp features a patented lux adjusting dial so that you are in full control of your light therapy treatment. The lux output is 3500 lux at the lowest setting and 10,000 lux at the maximum setting. The unit also adjusts to an 85 or 70 degree angle for comfortable positioning. Clinical strength 10,000 lux of bright light to help beat the winter blues. circadian sleep disorders, shift work adjustment, jet lag, and low energy. Light therapy has been proven effective in almost 80% of people reporting symptoms related to the winter blues. Although the results may vary, most people feel the effects within a few days. Our fifth product is iHome's Energy Bedside Sleep Therapy Machine. Sleep better. Perfect sleep. To ensure you get the best sleep possible, the dual customization sleep timers for separate sounds and lighting patterns will allow your sleep to be free of any distraction. Wake 2 alarms. Dual alarms for separate wake times and alarm sources. Sound therapy. Built-in sound therapy with 10 relaxing sound modes with tones and noise patterns. Light and sound oasis. Let your favorite sounds overtake your sleep for a perfect rest with lights and sound. Smartphone app. Works with iHome's Energy app to customize and expand your light and sound therapy experience wireless. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US.